welcome, Flor. I am so happy to talk to you today. Flor, tell
Thank
us a little bit about yourself and where did you learn? Why did you join today's session?
First and foremost, thank you for inviting me to this session, to this interview. What My name is actually Flor Gordillo. That is the full name. I work for AdMed. My function at AdMed is actually IT vendor manager. These sessions are of value to me because I review SOWs every day. This is part of my function. And even though I'm not actually a Scrum Master as my main function or a product owner, I actually utilize everything that I have learned and I apply it when I'm reviewing the SOWs. What have I learned by joining these sessions? Number one, transformation experts is community driven. They're selfless and they're altruistic. They didn't have to do this. They didn't have to facilitate any of the sessions. This is additional effort and work and sacrifice, which is of great value to the community and much needed. As a matter of fact, I wish that other entities would be like transformation experts and think of others. And everything that they have, all the knowledge that they have harnessed to actually share it with others and help them expand their gifts, talents, merits, as transformation experts have done. What I actually learned from today's session was the difference between Agile and Scrum. That to me was, I actually was very confused in that. So one of them, Agile, is the mindset, sort of the governance, and then Scrum is your, from what I understand, is the actual functionality. And I was very grateful that Ray, my coach, took the time to explain it because it was in a different topic, but no pun intended, he was agile, very nimble, switched topics to address my question. What does that tell me? It tells me that I matter, that my question matters, that he values my input, my question, my concerns. The other thing that I actually loved about transformation experts, it's just being the trailblazers. I didn't know that you could actually jump from room to room. There's that convenience. If one room is touching on a topic that is too advanced for someone, you could always jump to a different room that is more appropriate to the knowledge that you want to gain. Having that available to a user or someone that is coming in new, it's just mind-blowing. So thank you so much, transformation experts, for being this, how could I say, for the nuances that you provide and for the training that you provide, plus the certifications that you provide at a great value with great coaches and feasibility. Thank you very much.